What's the meaning of breast pump? Breast pump. Breast pump.
Breast pump. Breast pump. A breast pump is a device used by nursing mothers to extract milk from their breasts. It can be manually operated or powered by electricity. The pump allows mothers to express milk for later use, relieve breast engorgement, and maintain their milk supply. Breast pumps come in different sizes and designs, making it easy for mothers to choose the one that suits their needs. They are important tools for working mothers, who may be away from their babies for extended periods and need to keep their milk supply up. Overall, breast pumps are helpful devices for nursing mothers, providing them with flexibility and convenience.